Good morning, children. Today we are learning our textual bits of the lesson. We have learned the tenses in our previous class. Now, be it change the tense of the verbs and rewrite the sentences. First one, an example is given. Aman has a red bicycle. So it is changed into Aman had a red bicycle, past tense. Second one, they collect the wrappers and throw them in the dustbin. The answer is they collected. The simple present tense should be changed into a past tense. They collected the wrappers and throw becomes threw, T-H-R-E-W, threw them in the dustbin. Third one, Leo wants a new football for his birthday. Leo wanted. Wants, present tense. Wanted becomes past tense. Leo wanted a new football for his birthday. Fourth one, did you complete your homework? It is in past, so you should change in present. Do you complete your homework? Fifth one, Seth did not play basketball. Did not become does not. Seth does not play basketball. Coming to the last sixth one, Christian walks fast but runs slowly. Christian walked fast but ran slowly. Here, each word pair in the box is similar in meaning, but one is strong while the other is not so strong. Fill in the blanks with the stronger words, means the word which is suitable to it. Here, beautiful, pretty. What is our sentence? These are dash flowers. Pretty flowers we can't say, so beautiful flowers. Hungry, starving. Second one, the cat has not eaten anything. It must be starving. If you are just feeling hungry, feeling that you want to eat something is called hungry. And if you have eaten nothing for a longer time, is known as starving. Freezing cold. Third one, people like to stay indoors on a dash day, freezing day. Tasty, delicious. Fourth one, we had a dash lunch yesterday. Delicious lunch yesterday. Furious, angry. Jamie was dash when he learned about it. Furious, F-U-R-I-O-U-S, furious. Gigantic, big. Sixth one, Murali took a picture of the dash building, gigantic building. Gigantic, gigantic means very big. Gigantic building. We have seen in our previous class to add the singular to plural by adding s, es and ies. The first one, crowd. It becomes crowds, crowds, crowds. Second one is body, body, body. The answer is bodies, bodies, bodies. Third one, thief, thief, thief. Plural is thieves, thieves, thieves. Fourth one, suitcase, suitcase, suitcase. Suitcases, suitcases, suitcases. Fifth one, hoof, hoof, hoof. Plural will be hoofs, hooves, hoofs. Sixth one, army, army, army. The answer is armies, armies, armies. Potato, potatoes, potatoes, potatoes. Sandwich, sandwiches, sandwiches, sandwiches. Hope that everyone understood today's class. Thank you.